I'm going to show you how to make a twisted loop chain. I've already started it, as you can see. And you always want to start these at the bottom and work your way up. This ribbon is a poly satin, and it is a 1 1/4 inch width ribbon. I cut it about 19-20 inches long because I'll probably use it on a boy's mum, and I use 18-inch streamers on boys' mums. Okay, these ribbons are, I've got orange, black, and white, and I cut them all at 6 inches. You always want to cut them at 6 inches when you're making loops and points and stuff. So my next color combination is going to be white and orange. I just take it and I twist this fingers backwards and this one forward. Whoops. Like that. Do it again. Back and forward. Like that. And then I line them up so you get a point right there. Put a staple in that. You can see you could use either side. You get a little bit different color. But as you can see, I've got the orange there and the white on there, so I need to keep that. Okay, so I put that on there like this, so this is pointing down. And I want to cover up these staples. When it's hold up, you can not see the staples. And my next color is going to be black and orange. You don't have to double these up, I just like the look of it. So again, back, forward, make that point, staple. Now this one, that was the way I was going this way. This way I want to turn it this way. And this ribbon will always be like this with the pattern I'm making. And then I just want to overlap that a little bit. But I want to push that up just a little bit. I want to cover the staple, but I want to make sure I'm overlapping a little bit. Put a couple of staples on that. Okay, back to orange and white. Again, back, forward. Like that. Do it again. Back, forward. Line them up like so. Staple, turn it this way, line that up with that ribbon, and push that down just a little bit so I cover up those staples. Okay, black and orange again. You could do this all in one color. You can double these up like I'm doing, and do any kind of color combinations you wanted to. Didn't staple very good. Okay. Again, I want that even with that. And you can do as many as you need to. Like I said, I did some of these with names on them, and I put like the girl's name here going down, and then the boys I put here, or you could put them here, or you could just do one name down. It doesn't matter. You can use both, however you want to do it. And you can put bling or sparkles on them for girls. So I cover that up, as you can see. And I'm lining that up with that. You can stop this and not go all the way up, and you can put a bow right there, or you could put some bling or some little piece of tinsel like I've got here. You could staple that there and finish it off. I've done several different things with that. Or you can make it go all the way up, where it's going all the way up under the flower mum. This is what it looks like finished. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.